Hey guys, Anthony with the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're talking about the newest car shampoo from our friends over at Koch-Chemie, and that is KCX GFX Gentle Snow Foam Christmas Edition. All right, so GFX is everything that you love about gentle snow foam, but now with the scent of Christmas. So you might be wondering, what does the scent of Christmas actually smell like? Well, it's a combination of multiple things. There's a little bit of pine in there, there's a little bit of cinnamon in there, and there's a small hint of something sweet and fruity that I can't quite pinpoint, but trust me when I say this stuff smells absolutely amazing. Now, you're also gonna notice that GFX has a pH of 8.0, which is gonna be slightly higher than that of GSF, and that is due to the scent itself. In order to keep the scent stable, they had to bring up the alkalinity of the soap just a little bit, but trust me when I say that it's still gonna be safe on just about everything. So go ahead and mix this into your bucket. You can mix it into your foam cannon, use it to your liking. But just note that this is a limited edition product, and once we sell out, we sell out. We're not getting any more. But also, you really shouldn't be spraying this before Thanksgiving anyways, because that just wouldn't be right. So Koch-Chemie GFX, pick it up, try it out for yourself. I promise you're gonna absolutely fall in love with the scent. And on top of that, if you're feeling extra spicy or just really wanna celebrate this product, you can also pick up a limited edition GFX keychain on here that looks pretty cool as well. So anyways, happy holidays, happy foaming, and happy everything else. GFX, go get some.